Kids channels get a ton of views, but if the content is evergreen, nothing can stop it from going viral. Such videos always stay popular and attract the new generation. So today I'll give you a video tutorial on how you can create prepositions as a sound. When kids get education with music, it makes learning even more fun for them. It's not just about giving knowledge, it's turns learning into something fun. Learning through music helps kids understand concepts better and motivates them to learn more. So let's see how you can create content that never gets old and keep attracting new viewers every time. Let's start it. So to write a song, I'll first give GPT this prompt. Please provide me with a short and engaging set of preposition song lyrics that kids will love. So as you can see, GPT has provided us with the lyrics about preposition. You can adjust these lyrics to be shorter or longer if you want. And now that we have the lyrics, you can use any music generation tool to create a song. You can also try Udio AI, but today I'm using Udio AI. So after signing in, you'll see this interface. Here we can simply write our style of music. For example, I can add pop, playful kids, and kids music. And we also have an option to set the song's length, and we can also generate lyrics from here. Since we have already generated our lyrics, so I'll click on Go to Advanced Creation Tools and add my lyrics here. So this tool generates 2 songs at a time. So my songs are ready, let's listen to them.
In the box, on the chair, prepositions, just you bark. In the bed, living hell, where you live to get better, gonna take what ill. Behind the tree.
So if you don't like your song, you can change the styles and generate it again. I left this song, so I'll just download it as an MP3 from here. So as you can see, our song is ready in just a few clicks. And now it's time for the animation part. So if your animation skills are fantastic and you have great ideas, feel free to create it however you like. But if you find it hard to come up with ideas for the animation, we can simply ask GPT for help. For this, I'll give GPT this prompt. I need a background of each scene in the song to help with my animation. So as you can see, GPT has given me visuals for each scene and explained what the animation should look like for each part. So we don't need to copy paste everything exactly, but now we have a clear idea of what can help us with the animation. So this will help us make our animation even better. So I'll copy my entire animation plan into Google Docs so that it's easier for me to collect everything. And after that, we'll collect the backgrounds one by one. You can easily find cartoons backgrounds on various websites. I'm using FreePic for this. So first, let's check what ideas GPT gave us for the backgrounds. So GPT suggested a living room with soft lighting, a colorful rug, a toys scattered around, which means we need a cartoon living. So I'll search for a cartoon living room. So as you can see, there are plenty of options available, and we can easily download any of these. So similarly, I'll download the backgrounds for my next scene, which is a small hill. So I'll keep collecting all my backgrounds one by one like this. Now that we have collected all our backgrounds, I'll move on to gathering the characters. For example, in the first scene, GPT suggested character 1 is sitting inside a colorful box, peeking out playfully, and character 2 is sitting on a chair next to the box, swinging their legs. So for this, I'll search FreePic for cartoon boy actions. So here we can find various actions of cartoon characters. As you can see in this image, we are getting multiple actions based on what we need. Our boy is peeking out of a box. And this image looks perfect to me. So I'll download it. First, I'll remove the background. FreePic's background removal feature is really amazing, and then I'll download it. So just like I collected the backgrounds, I'll now gather all my characters one by one. And now that all my elements are ready, we'll move on to the editing tool for animation. So today I'm using Filmora. First we'll import all our files, then set the song onto the timeline. And after that, we'll animate according to the first lyrics. So for the first line, which is in the box of the chair, I'll take the first background I selected. Now I need a boy who is peeking out from the box, which is this one. So I'll simply cut this image To do that, I'll go to the crop tool and choose custom to cut the image according to my need. And after that, we'll have just the part we want. Then I adjust the position of the image on the screen. So we'll set keyframes to first zoom in on the boy who is peeking out of the box, and after that we can set another keyframe for the second boy on the chair. This will create a smooth animation focusing on each character. But before that, since we have two images, we'll convert them into one image using a compound clip. For this, I'll select both images, right click and select compound clip, and both images will merge into one. So now it will be easier to set keyframes for this combined image. So first we'll set the first keyframe for the full image. For the second keyframe, we'll zoom out a bit on the first boy. Then we'll set the third keyframe after a short pause to focus on the second boy. So finally for the fourth keyframe, we'll return the image to full size. So after setting the keyframes, we'll go to the keyframe panel, select all the keyframes, right click and choose continuous clip. This will create a smooth animation between the keyframes. So now we'll animate the next lyrics as well. For under the bed, we'll set the background we choose for that scene and adjust the character positions accordingly. So we'll follow the same process, set the keyframes to create smooth transitions and make sure the character sits well within the background for a cohesive look. So in this way, we'll keep adding up backgrounds and characters according to the lyrics, and we'll animate them gradually with keyframes or using pan and zoom. So now I have added some prepositions in the text, and I'll also add some effects. So my video is ready, so I'll simply export it. Let's check the final result.
In the box, on the chair, prepositions, just you bark. In the bed, feeling hell, where you live to get about it, gonna take what ill. Behind the tree, down the door, listen, look, experience you, my brush for. You pass the train, in the dark, prepositions help you learn your son.
So you saw how we turn prepositions into a fun and engaging song. This kind of content not only entertains kids but also helps them understand concepts more easily. Remember, with consistency and creativity, you can make your educational channel go viral. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. See you in the next video with a new topic.